on the car. Got Z1 stainless steel brake lines. Akebono 4-piston front. Big brake kit. 2-piston in the rear. And then we got R1 Concepts. Drilled and slaughtered rotors. I'll open them up right now. As you can see, I got the drilled and slaughtered rotors. R1 Concepts. Got some brake pads from there too. Getting ready to install this on the Z. And little update. Car's tuned. Sorry, I didn't record the process of it, but yeah, she's tuned. I got the intakes installed. As you can see, she's on RPF ones now. Shit, I took the wing off. I don't know if I said that in the last video, but shitting nicely right now on the coilovers. Oh yeah, I also got the coilovers. The 3-inch intakes are installed from RZG Motorsports. Car is tuned by Saul from California. He's mainly known as Saul from Nisno Nights. Yeah, he tuned it from email. I got all the little pops and bangs from him. I got his whole full tune. I got his race tune. 1, 2, 3. Flame map, got the pop and crackle tune, and then the full throttle tune. keep you guys posted. But I'm so excited to install these. I've been waiting for so long. I had these for over 2 months already. I bought them originally silver. They came off an Infiniti Q60, I think. No, I'm lying. They came off a G37. And I painted them red. Got the Nissan decals on them, white. And now, ready to install them on the Z. I'll keep you guys posted. If you guys are wondering, wheel specs on the car that I went with are 18 by 10.5 in the rear with a 15 plus offset. Front is 18 by 9.5 with a 15 plus offset. Car sits pretty flush on the ground. I kept the 20 mil spaces that I had on it before I got the wheels in the rear. The rear were in a little bit, but after that, it sits pretty flush. You guys can see right there, it's really flush. Very happy with how it sits. I'll show you guys how it sits after when we take it off the jack stands and are done with the big brake kit swap. But guys, I'm so excited. I may not sound excited, but I really am. I've been waiting to do this for a while, but then I got tuned and just wanted the wheels, and then now we're finally gonna do it. So alright guys, so what I did was I flattened this out on the edge from the dustpan, because since the rotors are bigger, it's gonna hit it, so you have to flatten it. You can just take it off, honestly, but I just flattened it because I still wanted to stay. So yeah, so now we just start taking it all apart. I'll catch you guys when we do that. Also, I have my uncle helping me on the other side, so make things a lot faster. So I'll keep you guys updated. We're currently doing this.
Give this go back.
Oh well, always sand your shit right. That's all I gotta tell you. Other than that, it's really fucking cool. Let's even stop real good too. But yep, one side down, 3 more to go. And that's the first side done. Just check the clearance. Wheel is good, clear, spin and all that. All we gotta do is the rears and the other side, and we're done. We didn't have any issues yet, but you already know how this shit goes. Something's gonna go on, so we will see. So far, this is fucking badass. So basically, those brake lines are. Front caliper off so far. Looks pretty fucking badass, if you ask me. The brake lines are so Z1 Motorsport stainless steel brake lines. But we are running into some issues. The dustpan seems to not want to like. So what I would do is right there, I would like pinch it with a. I would pinch it right there, and I'd pull it out so it could be flat. But right here, it doesn't want to do the same thing as that side did in the front. So I think we're gonna either have to cut it out instead of just trying to bend it, or possibly we are going to have to take it off. Don't know what we're gonna do yet, but we'll see right now. So we're done. We got the other side left, just to put the brake line. Fronts are done. One of the rears is done. All we're gonna do after is put some fluid, put some pressure into them, and then test drive it. Alright guys, so it's getting pretty late, so me and my uncle are gonna finish this tomorrow, but so far the car is done because all we have to do right now is do the fluid, but that could take a while, depends. So we're gonna do that tomorrow, and pretty much that would be it for it. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow, but for you it'll be in the next clip. But so far these coming out real good. So what we ended up doing is cutting the dust pan for the rear. The front, see how I just bent it back? That's what I was trying to do to the rear, but I couldn't. So we cut it, and now they're good. We'll be finishing this tomorrow, but I'm loving how these came out. Only bad thing is the front left got chipped pretty bad because of the, I don't know what it is, but the fluid, when it leaked, it just went all over right here, and whatever is on the fluid just ate through the paint. I don't remember this side. Yeah, this side is good, just a little dirty. This side is pretty good. Yeah, only that one that got chipped pretty bad. But other than that, it came out really good. Super happy. We'll see the finished product tomorrow. Alright guys, so we're in the car now. We're gonna brake fluid in, and we're just gonna pump the brakes, and then he's gonna release pressure until there's no air. It's just liquid. So basically I'm pumping 3 times, hold it, and then he releases the pressure, and tap it again like so. And I hold it again and tell him so he can release it. We're gonna do this for each brake caliper until it stops throwing air and it's just fluid. It's finished. We bled the brakes, I test drove it. Came out nice. No issues. So far, so good. I tested them out. They brake way better than the other ones. And the base model brakes. Real happy with that. Huh? Yep. There it goes. Came out super nice. Super happy with the final product. The car looks so mean with them. It just pops out. Especially with the drilled and slaughtered brake pads.
Bye.